Hello everyone, welcome to Veronica Hug. So today we are doing a fantasy pattern that looks something like this. So for this pattern you will need 3 different colors. And my choice was blue, white, and a really nice baby pink. So feel free to choose your own. My pattern starts here from the beginning. So here on the bottom you see how we just do semicircles. So we need a number of stitches that can be divided by 10 plus a nice end stitch. So here I did 31 stitches total, and I will continue here for you. So we will do 2 chains to start with, and then we will do into the same spot 3 more trebles. Now come a couple of singles, so we would now skip 3 chains and do 3 singles. And then skip again 3 and do 7 trebles into the next spot. Skip 3 again and do a single into each single from the last row, and keep repeating. Last stitch gets 4 trebles. So we are changing the color in each row. Start with 2 chains just like you did with the blue thread, and turn. Now 1 single into the first spot and another into the second. Three chains. A treble, but don't close up just yet. Instead, do another half treble or an undone treble. And you need a total of 7 such trebles before you close them up. Eight loops on the needle, close up and do 3 chains. So the first 2 trebles we already did at this round before. Now they will do 3 singles. Three chains, and now we will again start at the next shell shape, or I mean to get to the next shell shape with the 7 half-done trebles. Now in here we do the 7 trebles again. So you keep repeating the 4 rows and you get the whole pattern as many times as you like. So you can cut these off and weave them in when you are done. So 3 chains here, and then we do 1 treble into the second single, and then again 2 trebles. Now 3 singles and again 3 chains. And now 7 half-done trebles over these 4 and the next 3 stitches. So repeat the same we just did. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you think of the pattern. If you liked it, feel free to shoot a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you in our next video. Thanks for watching, Veronica. Hug. Bye!